OpenClaw is an open-source platform that allows you to build and run a personal AI assistant 24/7 on your own server, giving you full control over your data and flexibility in how you use it. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to install OpenClaw on Ubuntu in a clear and easy way. First, open the terminal. Then, update your system's package repositories to make sure all packages are up to date. Next, go to the official OpenClaw website to follow the installation instructions. I've placed the link in the description so you can quickly access it using the link below the video. Next, you'll find the Quick Start section. Here, the system provides a ready-to-use installation script. Simply copy the command and paste it into your terminal to proceed. During execution, this script will automatically check whether required tools such as Node, JS, Python, and others are installed. If not, it will automatically download and install the necessary components required by OpenClaw. Once all required components are installed, the system will automatically proceed to install OpenClaw on your machine. Next, we'll move on to the configuration step. Here, the system will ask you to confirm that the default mode is for personal use and that multi-user usage requires additional security setup. Go ahead and select Yes to continue. Next, to simplify the initial setup process, we'll choose the Quick Start mode so the system can automatically configure everything with default settings. Next, choose a model/auth provider for your OpenClaw. This acts as the brain behind your AI assistant, determining how it processes and responds to your requests. If you're not ready to set it up yet, you can choose Skip for now to skip this step. However, in this example, I'll use OpenAI as the model provider to continue the configuration. Next, choose your usage method. In this tutorial, I'll select the API key option to connect to the service. Then, paste your API key into the required field to complete the connection. Next, depending on your needs, choose the model you want OpenClaw to use for handling tasks. Next, the system will ask whether you want to connect to any channels. If not, simply scroll down and select Skip for now to skip this step. You can also reconfigure the connection at any time using the command suggested by OpenClaw here. Next is the search provider configuration. You can set it up now or skip this step if you don't need it yet. Next, at the Configure Skills Now step, select Yes to start setting up skills for OpenClaw. Here, you can choose from the available skills if needed, or skip this step by selecting Skip for now. Next is the setup for Google Places and other services. If you don't need them, simply select No to skip these steps. Next, the system will ask whether you want to enable hooks. If you don't need it, you can skip this step. Next is the Hatch Your Bot configuration. You can set it up later, so select Do This Later to continue. At this point, you've completed the basic setup of OpenClaw. Now scroll up and you'll find an access link. You'll see that the system provides Control UI access information for OpenClaw. Simply copy the link or open it directly in your browser to get started. That's it! You've successfully installed OpenClaw. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.